What's up everybody? My name's Nathan Juedes and today I'm going to be painting my garage floor. Let's do it. So in case you missed it, this is part 2 of redoing my garage. You can click over here to watch the first part where I do a bunch of stuff and get it to this point. This is going to be all about painting the garage floor. Welcome to part 1. We're going to clean the floor. Let's do it. Tool of choice, hand scraper. Okay, so it's still pretty dusty in here, so that's why I'm wearing my mask. Hopefully you can hear me. I am now going to do a preliminary wash. Scrubbing with this brush here. I'm using this squeegee, and I'll also hook up my hose. Let's do it. Okay, got everything scrubbed and scraped and squeegeed and somewhat clean. So I'm gonna go eat dinner and let this dry for the night, and we'll be ready to fill some holes with concrete tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Welcome to day 2. Now we're gonna fill in holes in the concrete with some concrete patch. This kit here, link will be in the description. This is the first time I've used a kit like this. I have painted concrete floors in basements and in a hunting lodge. Instructions: stir stick, paint chips, etching. Part B, 2-part Bs. And 2-part A's. Okay. Rust-oleum epoxy shield. That's in Spanish, it's in English. First aid: if swallowed, do not induce vomiting. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water or milk. Contact the physician immediately. They probably say water or milk in case somebody's lactose intolerant. Rust-oleum cross-linking text. Let's just get to the point. If you want every single detail, there'll be a link below to the Rust-oleum video that is very detailed. is. What do you guys think? A few things I learned. I probably should have used a drill to mix up my paint because the color between my 2 gallon wasn't quite the same. So I have a few spots where I switched from 1 gallon to the other where you can tell. And then 2, the way I patched the floor, the texture is just a little bit different. If you look in the light, like right here, you'll notice the texture is different. So if I could go back in time, I would have probably just resurfaced the whole garage floor. And I'll put a link in the description to the product I would have used for that. But other than that, for being the first time using this kit, I'm very happy with how it turned out. And that wraps up for me. Remember, my name's Nathan Juedes. I know it's hard to spell and hard to remember and hard to pronounce, but that's who I am. So be sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you like the video, and be looking out for part 3, where I'm gonna finish up this garage project and have a garage to use again, which will be awesome. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.